Alright, so here's another video coming at you guys. What you're looking at right here is a set of 4, not 2, but 4 6.5-inch car speakers, Q Power. Now Q Power is good stuff. They just started. As far as I know, they just surfaced not that long ago. This brand Q Power. They make Q Power subs, 12s and 15s, and the reviews on them has been phenomenal. So far, everything that I've read about Q Power has been good. Now these things on eBay with free shipping, $33 for all 4 of them. $33 for all 4 of them. That's cheaper than speakers that you can get at Walmart, Scotch or Scouch or whatever that brand is, or Dual even. You know, that's all your typical Walmart stuff, and this was cheaper. And they're Q Power, so I'm anxious to see what they sound like. They're going in here. They're going in the Bro-Vada. I don't have any keys for it right now, otherwise I could let you hear the stereo. I don't know why I'm doing it, but it has this JVC head unit. It's Bluetooth, but I only have sound coming out of this speaker, the left side front, and the right side rear. The right side front does not work. These are tweeters up here, underneath here. If I can get this off, I have it unscrewed. I didn't put the screws back in, I know that. There we go. There's a tweeter right there. I ordered a set of tweeters to replace those because these tweeters aren't working either. So, plans is to install speakers in both front doors and both back doors. And stay tuned because we'll have 3 parts to this video. This is obviously part 1, and then we'll have part 2 where we give you a demo of how the stereo sounds currently with the bad speakers and what the stereo sounds like afterwards. And as a matter of what the fuck? Man, I can't even fucking talk. As a matter of fact, this will be a longer series due to the fact that I also have in the back, which I have yet to hook up, 12-inch sub and an amp. Oh, you can't even see it, it's too dark. So there will be a couple more parts to this series. So again, the before of the stereo, the after of the new speakers, and then the after of when the sub's hooked up. And I might even go a different route. I think I'm going to run a different amp and a different sub, because I have quite a few different choices on what I can do here as far as the stereo goes in the Bro-Vada. I have a lot of stuff sitting around that I've accumulated over the last year that I've had plans to put in one vehicle, and then I get something else. I'm like, oh, I'll do this instead, and I get something else, and I'm like, oh, I'll do this instead. And now I'm to the point where I got so much that I could pretty much throw this in there, throw that in there, throw this in here, whatever I feel like I want to do. So stay tuned, guys. A lot more coming. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for supporting the channel, and we'll catch you guys again in a little while.